Holy, best channel on YouTube, it's Crazy Steve, Batman. What I have to share today is the LEGO Batman movie Joker Balloon Escape, set number 70900. Released during the month of January 2017, this set is already almost 7 years old, so I'm late to review it as always. That's no reason for me not to though, so let's get into the information. The total number for pieces that came in this set is 124 for an original price of $15. This is only just a little bit lower than the golden ratio of 10 cents per piece. Nowadays, it can be bought new for 23 and used for 13, so still not a terrible value considering its age. The intended age range for this set is between 6 years old and 12 years old. That's all for the info though. Let me tell you about how I felt building this set. Well, I'll start by saying it took me 20-ish minutes to complete the build altogether. This is right around what most sets in this piece range will take to build, if not a little bit longer. The build is separated into two main parts that you have to focus on. One being the balloon backpack Jetpack, and the other being a power plant packed with tons of play features. Normally, I'm not the biggest fan of builds arranged like this, but I think it works well here. The set is obviously meant for play, and having the Jetpack plus power plant allows for a lot more playability than one model would. There was repetitiveness in the balloons, though the power plant included a lot of cool elements such as the computer and piping. All in all, it was fun to put together. Now, what do I think of the model after completing it? Well, whenever assembled, I find the power plant looks more like a chemical plant, but that is just my opinion. The power plant by itself is a little lackluster, but when you attach the separate bomb piece on, it looks a little more elaborate. The play feature is also a switch you can flip that resides underneath the tanks, causing them to blow apart. For this reason, the tanks are precariously attached to the model, but any more rigidness may not have allowed the play feature to function correctly. The other little build that you get with this is the Joker's Balloon Jetpack. It is actually fairly nicely designed and intricate enough to be an interesting build on its own. One of my favorite parts is that after some slight fighting, you can get the Joker to hold the handles as if he were actually flying it. I do have one complaint about it, and that is that the balloons come off super easily. All in all, I think the build in this set is unique, interesting, and just fun. One of the main reasons I wanted this set for myself was the minifigures included with it. 4 minifigures, you get 2 in this set, with the first being Batman. Batman is nothing we have not seen before, just in his movie rendition. You get one scowling face print and the other looks surprised. He also comes with a grappling gun, rope, and hook accessory. The other minifigure, the Joker, comes in his traditional purple suit. What I really like about this variation is the overly long coattails. He also comes with a double-sided face, one side showing an evil grin and the other laughing. All in all, I am happy with these minifigures, even if they don't do anything spectacular and new. Wrapping up this look back at the LEGO Batman movie Joker Balloon Escape, we can see that it was an interesting set on release and still today. Both builds included have some degree of technicality to them that make them interesting to put together. After completion, they hold their own as 2 separate builds and together are only strengthened by each other. The only actual downside is that the set isn't incredibly unique in the sense that many of the pieces, if not all of them, can be found in other LEGO sets from this time. That shouldn't detract you from buying it though if you're looking to round off your collection of sets or just find it interesting. All in all, I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, just consider leaving it a like. If you've seen any of my other videos, tell me how you liked this one compared to those. Is the editing getting better? How does my voice sound? All feedback is listened to and appreciated. If you want, sub to the channel for more LEGO reviews, builds, all things brick related, and until next time, people, stay crazy.